Ready to start making money with affiliate marketing in 2024? I just found a new strategy that can help you make up to $700 per week without running ads or needing a ton of followers. All you need to do is send emails and promote your product. Even if you're a beginner and have zero idea how to make money with affiliate marketing, this video is perfect for you. Step 1. The first step is to find an offer to promote. Go to ClickBank, which is one of the best sites to find affiliate programs. There are plenty of offers available here, but I will show how you can search for high commission-based offers. In the Marketplace section, click Top Offers. You can see a list of different offers along with their information and commissions. All of them are trending, and you can get paid more than $100 as a commission if anybody purchases the product from your affiliate link. On the left are categories for promoting a specific niche product that you might be familiar with. When selecting your offer, it's important to gather some information such as the use of the product. I've decided to go with an offer called Icaria Juice. It's a weight loss juice suitable for both men and women. No doubt many people will be interested in this product. To get the affiliate link for the offer, click Promote. It will ask you to choose your affiliate nickname. Then click Create Hop Link, and below you will get the affiliate link you have to promote. Copy the link. After that, on the right, click Affiliate Page. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 Steps to 6-Figure Blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. You can find lots of information about the product on this page. To promote this offer, I will show how you can use emails to sell your product. On the above, click Email Creatives. Then you will find a link saying, click here to get immediate access to high-converting swipes. Click on the link and a document will open. As you can see, it has a couple of emails you can use to send people and promote your product. It can be helpful in boosting sales because most people regularly check their emails. Step 2. Now that you have the email swipes to promote, you need to collect emails. To get email addresses, you have to create a landing page or a sign-up form. Go to Omnisend, a site that helps you create a sign-up pop-up. Its free plan allows you to reach 250 contacts and send up to 500 emails monthly. It is enough for you in the beginning, but you can upgrade the plan later. Click Start Free and choose the sign-up method you prefer. I will select by email. Enter your email address, password, and select No option in Do you have an e-commerce business? Click to agree to its terms and conditions. Then click Sign Up, which will send you an email for verification. Log in to your email and click Verify Email Address, which will direct you to this page. Fill out your first name, last name, business name, and website link. If you don't have a website link, you can check out our previous video where we mentioned how to create your own Shopify store. After creating it, you can paste your store link here, or you can type the website link you plan to create in the future. Click Continue and enter more details such as your country, city, address, postal code, and time zone. Then click Continue to Omnisend, and your account will be created. Step 3. Once you've set up your Omnisend account, I'll show you 2 simple ways to gather email addresses. You can choose between creating forms or a landing page. To create forms, click Forms on the top. Then click Preview and Launch Form. This is the form you can now design. On the left, you can find items to add to your form, such as image, countdown timer, and date. Below, you can choose the layout. There are different behavior settings on the right regarding how the form appears and interact with visitors. In the display option, you can select if you want the form to upload automatically on page load or after a specific time. If you click Theme Settings, you can customize the form, including its colors, buttons, and layouts. Below the form, you can see some options to edit different steps of the form, such as the thank you page, or if you want to send them to a specific page after they sign up. Let me edit the text on the form according to my product. Just click on it and type burn fat and lose weight with Icaria juice. We don't need this text here, so let's delete this. There is a single bar for visitors to enter their email address, which is enough, so I won't add another bar. To change the text on the button, click on it and go to the right options. Click text and type sign up. Above the text option, go to button action and select go to next step so visitors can get to the next page when they click the sign up button. Now, you can see below that the second step of filling out the form is where visitors can enter their phone numbers. It is up to you if you want to keep this step or remove it. I don't need it, so I'm going to remove it. Go to these 3 dots and click delete. You can add or experiment with more things from the left and right options. But this is how you can design and create a form for your website. It can easily collect emails from visitors. Next, I will show how you can create a landing page if you don't have a website. Go back to your dashboard and click Forms on the top. Then, click Create Form. You will be directed to this page where you have to select a template. Because there are so many templates, you can filter them by choosing the right type of template you want from the left. I'm going to click Landing Page from the Type section. You can now customize any template you like from the right. I'm choosing this simple one. Click on it and the editor will open. Let's design it according to our offer. Click on the text on the form and type burn fat and lose weight with Icaria juice. Delete any other text. Click on this button and change this to sign up. Delete the step 2 page. Then click below to go to the second step page, which is the thank you page. This text is fine, but if you want, you can edit it by clicking on it and changing the font type or color from the right options. If you notice, there is a default background image. You can change it to the product's image so the landing page goes with the theme of the product. To upload an image of the product, go back to the affiliate page, where you can find all the product resources. Click Images from the top to see the product's images. Download any image and head over to your landing page. To change the background, click Theme Settings, then Form Layout, and Replace to upload the image. Below, you can adjust the position of the form to whichever suits the most, but probably in the middle. On the top, you can switch to mobile and desktop versions to check how the landing page looks. The landing page is ready. You can publish it by clicking Enable on the top right. It will give you the landing page link, which you can share. Click Copy, and then Done. You can see how amazing the landing page looks. You have to share it and start collecting emails. Step 4. When the landing page is ready, you can check how you will get the email addresses of visitors. Enter an address and click on the Sign Up button. Then go to the dashboard and click Audience on the top. You can see the email I just entered on the landing page here. All the emails you collect will be shown on this page. To send email swipes to visitors' email addresses, click Campaigns from the top. After that, click Create Email Campaign. This is the email information section where you have to fill in some details, including the subject line, the sender's name, and the sender's email address. You can use the email swipes from the product's affiliate page. Just copy and paste, and it will automatically send the emails. This is how you can create a form or landing page with Omnisend. Lastly, to drive traffic to your form or landing page, consider using platforms like Pinterest and Medium to promote your product. This is how you can drive traffic to your offer, collect visitors' email addresses, and send emails related to the product. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.